American Windows, an offering tailored by Eko-Okna to meet the needs of American customers. Provide proven solutions that your customers can rely on. Single and double guillotine windows. Also available as fixed guillotine windows. Single and double guillotine windows, the most popular systems on the US market. Casement windows. Convenient windows for special tasks that open outward. Side hinges and pivot hinges. Also available as fixed casement windows. Sliding patio doors. A versatile solution that brightens and better ventilates interiors. Double sliding windows. A sliding system with two movable sashes that transforms tight spaces into spacious and inviting areas. All US systems use black gaskets and double glazing of approximately 3/4 inch thick. The patio system features 5 1/5 inches installation depth, while other systems require 3 1/4 inches. Integrated accessory grooves are available on all systems.